welcome back to German Brew. Today in our new apartment with new background. I'm still not really happy with it, but I have something nice here, my wife.
Hello everyone.
So today we make a coconut wine.
We have here the
Especially
package.
Yes, you have it in the Philippines coconut wine. That's why I bring my wife.
But we use natural coconut wine. But I am excited what it will be the result, because of course I used to have the natural coconut wine that was harvested from the tree and from the juice of the coconut, and for me this is another thing.
So in original they getting the coconut flowers, cut them, and the juice get out, when I understand it. And this is a juice from the coconut flowers just dried. So first of all, our fermenter. Second of all, our child is crying. Maybe turn off the TV again.
Hi.
He wanted to come with us.
Hi. So we have another visitor here. Huh? Say hi. We have another visitor.
Another visitor? With the child only making wine. But the child will not drink the wine.
Say hi. And then I will come back. Smells good.
Smells good?
So we don't need honey anymore?
No, we make a wine, not a mead.
A wine. Okay.
A wine.
Let me try it.
Of course. You want to try? Just take some from here.
No.
Okay.
Because it will be dirty.
So 500 grams. And it tastes good.
Delicious. I will buy this and I will make.
So we will buy it for cooking now.
I will make cake. So it's how many? It's the two is 500 grams.
Yeah. So we have low gravity wine.
Need to shake it.
No, we need the funnel still. So, because we are living also here in a new apartment, I don't trust the water. The water smells like chlorine.
Yeah.
Maybe the yeast will not have problem with it, but I don't want to risk it. So, bottled water from the grocery. You want it too? And then we need to shake it also later.
So this is 1,000. 1 liter.
Just
1 liter. It's
1
100.
liter. This is 1 liter, and we will put 2 liter and 500 grams
So
sugar.
that's good.
And then the difficult part will start in a moment. Shaking.
This is the second bottle.
Well, I don't use hot water, so it's easier.
So
the funnel is clean. But I don't have a cap for it, so I need to check with an old trick holding the hole and shake.
okay. So you need
You want to check?
No, it's so. It's 2 liters. It's so heavy. So it needs to be.
The sugar needs
everything will be dissolved.
Yeah, that's the problem. So it will cost us a little bit more time.
The bahalina looks like this.
Really?
Yeah. Bahalina is coconut wine, but it's fermented for long, and then I don't know, it's they put something another inside, and then it is so more alcohol. and it was long fermented, not like the coconut wine, traditional coconut wine that is just fresh harvest and then you put something in it and then in the morning or the other day you can drink it already.
Really? So,
yeah.
So just
the other day you can drink it already. I don't know, they put some herb, not herb, but it was like a bark of the red tree, and then
I saw
and then the white coconut juice from the coconut tree, it will become red because
that I saw in some videos. Yes. So we mix it, but I want to know the gravity because I don't know where the tube is.
Don't ask me where.
No, we don't need it now. We have.
Okay.
Hopefully it's enough. Okay.
And then?
So still, that's a lot. I didn't thought we have this kind 1.080.
And then how much is that?
It's a good question, but we are good enough with the yeast I choose. Because I'm choosing some Bavarian beer yeast. So, wait, you can read it? No, you can't read it. Okay, I choose Bavarian beer yeast because I thought it must be a little bit sweeter. Maybe 7.7% can handle. So, hopefully it will be not so dry, and we will see. And you already try it?
A little.
A little.
And then we also, when we make in the Philippines the coconut wine, we just also can drink the white one directly from the coconut. So it's more sweeter, but in 2 or 3 days it will become fermented, and like when you don't put something in it, and then in 2 weeks it will become vinegar.
Then you have coconut vinegar.
Yeah.
Also.
So in the Philippines we usually use coconut vinegar because we have a lot of coconut here.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
Oh, I put the yeast directly inside.
And in the province we have
Rehydrate.
coconut wine.
And some of the yeast is not inside, but it's no problem.
It already have used. I don't still try it.
And sweet.
Sweet.
Really sweet.
So sweet.
So sweet.
What?
Okay, we're done.
It's done already?
Done already today, just short.
Okay.
We just put the airlock. I thought I'd bring the cheap alcohol, but yes, I put it in the background. One moment.
So that's it. And then we will wait for how many weeks?
We will see. 2, 3. It's not so much.
Okay. We will see.
We will see. Just some cheap alcohol here.
Just is kaput.
No, I just was not good in pouring it.
We did good here.
It works.
Okay.
Okay, that's for today. Just a short video because it's just a sugar wine. So what we need: sugar, water, yeast. Nothing more. It's more complicated in the Philippines, and hopefully in the next vacation we can show you how to make it there.
We'll see.
We will see. We have a neighbor that can climb the trees.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see us the next time. And if you like this video, here's a video of my wife on her channel where we make Viking blood. And down there is one video thing, YouTube thing you will like. Don't forget to subscribe and
Bye.
bye.